the dynamic words of public administration, standing out requires not just knowledge but the right strategy. Where others see challenges, I see opportunity to innovate, to lead, and to inspire. This is where my journey begins, combining a solid foundation in public administration with cutting-edge marketing strategy. My name is Marion Pilungsod, and I'm here to transform how public service are delivered. Understanding people is at the heart of both public administration and marketing. Is about listening, adapting, and creating solutions that resonate, whether it's improving community engagement or driving impactful policy. I bring a unique perspective and approach that marries governance with innovation. In a competitive landscape, what set me apart? My ability to turn insight into action and action into result with a strategy, mind, and a commitment to excellence. I'm really to lead, ensure, influence, and make a difference.